Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So in this video I will show you how to generate this type of couple picture, a Sawan couple picture, putting gel water over the sibling. So how to generate this type of image without changing your face so that your face is not getting changed. So I will show you in my mobile screen. So first you have to upload and your partner picture here, and you have to use this prompt. So when you will paste and use this prompt, you will see how the image is generated with the same face. There is no change in a face. And how to get a prompt? Either you can visit my Instagram page here, and in this post you can comment as a prompt, or better you go to my Telegram channel and directly from the here you can copy this prompt. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.